Aloha and welcome. I'm Digital Micro. You're on the Digital Micro Trading Journal channel. Day trading for ROI payout. No trade recommendations. It's just my trade journal. And shout out to the new and existing subscribers and possibly future subscribers. We're going to cover price action, order flow levels, and Wednesday is the first of the month. We're going to get to the charts that are going to influence this first day of March trade plan and market thesis for the RTH. Let's get to the charts. 24-hour first day of March. So this candle is our Globex candle. And you can see here, we've already tagged with the candle wick, the T+2 close of February. And where we've got is an upper level here where this red arrow is, and that is a lot of candle wicks before it in February at 1910.7. So it looks to me like price on the daily wants to stay above 1900. We'll see. The first of the month is usually the day we've got fund flows coming in. So equity buyers are forced buy. And on the first day of the month on the institutional level, we'll see though. It's not like this market is super healthy right now. So again, a 10-point range from the 1900 level. The body of this green candle comes in at 1900. And again, we've already hit just 1911. Other than that, I just have the upper level here on the January T+2 close. Again, we haven't been there really yet. 1920, let's round up. And this yellow box here is a fair value gap that's still not been having to have price clear it. I don't anticipate this red arrow below on the 1883.2 being hit. You never know, but that's still the wick, the mid-level of the wick here. And again, that was February 24th on that dip below here on this low. And I'm looking for the middle of the candle wick if we get there, 1883.2, but I'm not calling that for today. So let's get to the next chart. 60 minutes. So this is a little more in context with day trading. This is the largest time frame that I look at. I'm looking at this fair value gap. Notice that price goes above it up here to the new day opening gap of February 24th. We've already visited down here to the T+2 close of February, and this is the new day open gap of March 1st. So that comes in right above 1900. 1908 seems to be right now the price body high, and we've got a 19 handle range. So I am looking for price to go above this and possibly challenge 1915, 1916, buy stops above 1916.6 here, but we're not there in Globex. So this is the swing high right here at 248 delta, 1910.3, and we've got a volume weighted average price here at 1904, and everything is staying above that. So it's been all about buyers in control. We're spooling up, and that's normal again for the first of the month. So nothing out of context here, and I'm going to be very careful about any shorts and be looking for diminished targets if I do take them. But yeah, I'm not buying this unless we really were going to go down here below the 3.01. So it's all about that 8:30 Eastern Standard Time to 11 zone. And that is going to be the time that I'm going to hopefully see a setup that I like. Currently flat with dry powder. Next chart. I just stay fixed on this 15-minute chart most of the time until we see a move. And you can see here when Europe opened from this vertical black line, we're just kind of a box low 1904 with this upper swing high 1910.4. So a very narrow box we're in right now. So just going to sit on hands. Down here is the new day open gap, March 1st. On the low, we haven't been down there since Asia session. You can see the Asian session, they dropped it here on the T+2 close, and then this time zone bounced right back up. Here we are on the Europe line where we opened, and we've held these highs. So this could definitely be the low for the 1st of March. Note that delta is a minus 350, and up here with that swing high is a delta of 537. We'll just see if we've got the legs to break these highs, these swing highs of the prior day, and the first zone to conquer is this 1914 to 1916 zone. See if we can hit these buy stops above that. Next chart, Renko, my friend, here we are. Asia, minus 701 tick here, and this is again down here at the bottom, the new week open gap, very important level for the week because it's how we basically open. So note how Asia got on this low tick here on the delta minus 701, and then we just zoom right back up into Europe, and here's the Europe, and then we go into this other level here. And again, let's just make sure the new day open gap is here. Upper Keltner, first hit with the 174 delta, and then second time 365, and then the third time couldn't quite do it, and that was an upper thrust with the 68 delta. We go down, but look at the downs. The downs are just really staying there at 1904.8, 1905. Yeah, the range is truncated. Gonna wait till we get some kind of range expansion. Upper Keltner right now coming in at 1912, the red at 1903, and then lower, which we might not visit for the rest of the session, is coming in at 1894. That here was marked in Asia. Remember, this low right here was below the lower Keltner. I'm just gonna watch and follow price. Trade them well, take care, and always keep your risk management as priority one.